Hey!
Beefy! Adidas, become legendary.
Daniel!
Hey there, Motley.
What's good, man?
How you doing?
I'm alright.
Yeah, man. Just came in and played a little bit of basketball today, you know.
And these?
Yeah. What we doing?
Horse.
Horse. All
Your
right.
first ball.
Yes. You're going down. Thinks he can do this to me? I got something for him. I got something for you.